everyone, and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Timewise eye cream by Mary Kay. I'm going to talk to you about what the company says that this does, my experience with it, who should use it, who shouldn't use it in my opinion, and hopefully at the end of the video you can decide for yourself if this is something that you need to add to your collection or not. This comes in a squeezy tube. It retails for $28 and it comes with 0.65, which is not an entire ounce, but since it's a little bit cheaper compared to the other eye creams, I think it's okay that it doesn't have a full ounce in the packaging. I purchased eye creams from the $60 mark where they had 1 ounce, and then more expensive ones, so it's not a full ounce, but I understand that's why it's a little bit cheaper. The idea behind this is that it has some kind of spheres that are going to also, while you use it, are going to help you diminish the appearance of the fine lines. They also said that they have a peptide that it's going to help you with the collagen. And finally, they also said that they have conditioning oils that they are found in plants, and that is why you feel the hydration in your under eye area. So you have the hydration from those oils that are natural oil and not the kind of oils or things that are going to clog your under eye area. Those, it's free of those oils, but you'll still find natural ones that are going to moisturize the under eye area. I know it's kind of confusing, but that's how they kind of make the difference between those two oils. One of them, it's good ones, the one that are going to hydrate, and then there's those oils that are going to clog your pores, and those are the ones that this eye cream is free of. Now, I've been using this eye cream since I was about 17 years old. Now I'm 35 and I continue to use it. I do have fine lines because I have very dry skin in my under eye area. I feel like if I don't get, or if I don't have right now more fine lines, it's just because of this cream. And I feel like it did make a difference. I feel like it does still make a difference. And I don't know how the peptide work as far as the collagen, but I can tell you that when I talk to people, they usually tell me how or what I use in my under eye area because I don't have as many fine lines as they do. And granted, there's going to be people that is going to have less than I have when they're 35. But in my experience and what I've been doing since I was very young is using this. So I change eye creams, I try new ones and everything, but I always have this in my collection because I feel like this is the one that actually prevents the fine lines in the under eye area. I don't know how much it fixes them, but it prevents them in a way that I do really think it works for me. So if you have very deep fine lines, I don't think that this is going to work to get rid of them or to improve them. I think that this is a very lightweight moisturizer that will prevent the fine lines and not so much with deep wrinkles. So if you are the kind of person that has a lot of wrinkles or very deep wrinkles, then you probably have to look more into the firming eye cream, or maybe the one that comes in the Timewise repair set, because that one is more specific for very deep wrinkles in that area. So maybe you have to look into those. So if you are 18 and you're ready to start taking care of your under eye area, you want to prevent, this is going to be the eye cream that you need in your collection. If you are starting to see fine lines, no matter how old you are, if you're 20 or 30 or in between, whatever, this is going to be the one that it's going to work for you, I think, in my opinion, based on my experience. Again, if you have more wrinkles or deeper wrinkles, then you probably have to go with something a little bit stronger. But if you are trying to find something to prevent, or if you're trying to treat something that it's not that deep, I think this is a great product. It works amazingly for me, and I do recommend it for people that is looking in specific for those things. So let me know if you have tried this one and what your experience is with it. I love to read the comments and also kind of help other people that is looking for information to see if they should purchase this cream or not. So thanks again for watching. If you're new, please remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new videos in the future, and I will see you on my next one.